भैया वड़ा पाव कितने का है?
बड़ा पाव 40 रुपये।
अब यहाँ पे आओ, यहाँ जल्दीबाजी में
टोकन भैया किधर? इधर से एक वड़ा पाव। ये लीजिए भैया मेरा।
आ जाओ इधर।
भैया मीठी चटनी मत डालना वड़े पाव में। So this thing is called Vada Pao, and this is actually a Maharashtrian dish, and you don't get it. Can you see it? No. Yeah, so you don't see it so often in North India. But right now I was just making a walking tour of Chandni Chowk, and I found it. Also, even yesterday my eyes were so watery as I got out, and even today I'm like constantly doing this and this. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. Nobody cares about your illness, Shivani. Oh, it's hot. Wow, it's really good. Really good. Killer. That was really delicious. So that's the first thing that we tried today, and we'll see what else we can find and we'll try it out as well. Also, I'll show you where I am. This is where I am. This is Old Delhi, Chandni Chowk, and it is amazing. I love it. See you in a bit.